Hello kings and queens, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do some quick and easy head wrap / turban styles, short and long hair friendly, grab anything at home you got kind of thing. So let's get to the video. You can use any kind of scarf for this. I was using this basic scarf. Make sure it's equal on both sides and then fold it in the front to show your edges. Just folding it in the front just gives it a different feeling. Like, trust me, you need to fold it in the front. And then from the back, you're gonna just cross it like that. You don't even need to tie it. And next thing you gotta do is do the twisty twist. Just do a twist, single twist, and then cross it over at the back. So as you can see that I have a bun. If you have a long hair, you can just put your hair in a bun and you'll be fine. If you don't have a long hair, I'm gonna insert a little clip on how you can create that little bulkiness at the back. Cross it over just like the first side. That's the twist. That's it. Done. Done, I'm telling you. Look at that. I got this scarf from Amazon. It comes in a set. It's really light. That's what I like about it. As you can see, I'm putting it on top of style 1. This is for people who have short hair, so you can create that little bun at the back. You know what I'm saying? Show your edges. Do whatever. I'm so focused. Look at my face. Just like that. Cross them at the back. Bring it forward. And twist. Twist. And then cross it over. This one's a little different. We're putting it in front so we can see the twist, you know? As you can see, just like that. Show your edges if you want to. And then do the other side. You can put the twist behind the first twist or the second twist or in front of it. Look at that. Look at that. It's simple, yet very beautiful. Position it, do whatever you want with it, let it, ooh, girl, look at that, ooh, look at that. And then I got an idea. I was like, I can just do one twist. So this one just came out of nowhere, but instead of doing 2 twists, you can just do 1 twist, you know, just do that. Look at that, just creates a different feeling, y'all. So different. If you're one of those people who want to be extra, look how easy that is. Trust me, it is so easy. Look at that. Ooh. One of my favorites. If you have long hair, put your hair in a bun just like that. If you don't have long hair, I'm gonna show you a little clip on how you can do that. Great. So, as you can see, you just have to try to put everything forward. So you gotta kind of bend over a little bit. And then hold it in the front. Create that little gap in the front, just like to show your edges and stuff. And then twist it like I'm doing. Now this is a trick. You wanna make it easy and quick, so you just do the twist as you go back. Keep it tight. Make sure it's tight, because when it's loose, it's just not cute. Look at that. Keep twisting and twist it forward. Just like that. Very easy. You can tie them if you want to, but just get that twist done. What I like about this style is just, it's all about the bulkiness at the front it creates, and that's what you're trying to do. Look at that. And then tuck it in. Like that. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. This one's a basic style. It's like the most easiest scarf. Just have to do the same thing. Fold it at the back. Now show your earrings, show your edges. Cross it over at the front and then twist. This one's more of a twist, twist, twist. Keep twisting. I'm just twisting one of the strands to the other strand, as you can see. This is more of a visual thing, so I think you got the idea. And then when you're done with that, it's really important to hold the twist you have, because it can get loose if you don't hold it. So it's very, very important to not twist it with one hand. You gotta hold as you twist. And a lot of people, that's why it'd be shaking and moving and loose. It's just not cute. Ooh, look at that. This one was so random. It's like a bow slash, this is an African scarf. If you have an African scarf, I recommend it better because it gives it a different kind of feel. Look at that. This is all visual, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below if you got confused. You're creating a twist in the front and then doing a little knot in front. It's all about the knot, as you can see. Look at that. It doesn't even have to be cute, or the messier the better, I'm telling you. Look at that. And then use the long strand to tuck it in, not a knot, just like you did with the first one. This one can get a little complicated if you have to look real close. Look at that. And then this little thing, tuck it in. This one's not even supposed to be that. It's supposed to be like this loose, like, oof, look at that, oof. Here's another African fabric that it's so basic. Put the scarf on your head, let one strand be longer than the other one, fold it at the front just like the other scarves. Do a little knot at the back just like that, tie it, make sure one is longer than the other. I'm doing the most. Oof, I had to catch my breath after this. I was like, look at that. Oof, that was a struggle. Anyways, open up the little strand and fold it over like that, just like that. It lays on your head, so you'll be fine. Do the same thing with the long one. Cross it over just like that, and then fold it as you cross over. This is more of a visual thing than anything, so I hope that makes sense. And then just tuck it in at the back. This is like some easy, if you have like an African outfit, you want to look like that. Ooh. This is such a highly requested video. People keep asking me about how I do my headscarves, and I was like, share with the world because I love head wrap. I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please share this video, and please click on that notification bell to get notified every time I drop another banger video. Thanks, guys. Bye.